Hello everyone. Hello Rani, how are you? Hello Tahin. Hello Shreya. Hello Bimal. Hello Rani. Yeah, how all of
Good evening, everyone.
Samrat, धैर्य, शाहिद भाई, रुपिंदर पाल भाई, क्रिस्टी, बलजोत सिंह, थैंक यू, वॉमशी, राहुल भाई, श्रीकांत भाई कैसे हैं? ऑल ऑफ यू, हाउ यू आर डूइंग?
भाई भोपाल से हैं. थैंक यू फॉर विशेस.
अशफाक, गुड इवनिंग. गौरव, विनीश, गीता, शाहरुख खान भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच. नम्रता जी, गुड इवनिंग, थैंक यू वेरी मच. देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ बर्थडे विशेस फॉर नीरज
Thank you,
सर.
sir. Thank you, everyone, for your wishes.
हाय प्रज्वला.
बहुत
एग्जाम
tough
was
पेपर आ
very
गया है.
tough, I know.
We'll,
Don't worry, we
we
are
are
gonna
planning. We are planning for that as well. So don't worry.
हाय लिखित भाई, हाय कोमल, हाय अरुण भाई, हाय देवदत्ता गांगुली जी, नम्रता,
Thank you
अभि
so much.
शर्मा,
Thank you so much, everyone, for your
कोमल.
warm wishes.
Just share the link so that we'll start it. शेयर कर देना ये लिंक.
Please share the link.
भूपेन भाई, साई, एवरीवन, गीता, सुभाष.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for your wishes.
मेरा फोन ऑफ हो गया. थैंक यू जया, श्रीदेवी, इशिता, महावीर जी, श्यामली, राज भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑल ऑफ यू. थैंक यू. Yesterday day was a black day in history of FMG. 31st August 2020 is a black day in history of FMGs. Hi Raj bhai, Sagar bhai, thank you very much. जो भी नेगेटिविटी फैलाता है उसको पेलो. यू आर राइटिंग ना, आज पेला है, बिल्कुल पेलो, चाहे कोई भी हो, जस्ट पेल दो.
पेलो मत, उसको बोला शर्म करे यार.
या ज्योति, थैंक यू. रिचू, अभिनंदन, अंकिता, शेयर द लिंक इन ऑल द ग्रुप्स गाइज. वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद इन 2 minutes. राजीव शुक्ला, थैंक यू. पार्टी, बिल्कुल पार्टी करेंगे.
We'll celebrate the birthday when we'll get MFPP 30 and we'll celebrate it together.
अंकित भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच. कौस्तुम सिंह, मोहम्मद आरिफ भाई, आई एम फाइन. राज भाई फाइन. रवि पाटिल भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच. लुपेरा, मोहम्मद आरिफ भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन. FMG exam is very hard. Yeah, exam was very difficult. Okay guys, just more.
Just keep sharing the link.
40, 50 seconds.
We'll start.
We are starting
30,
very
40
soon.
seconds. We'll start.
Yes. Thank you very much. कोई बात नहीं यार, NB ने हमें पेला है ना एक बार, हमारा भी टाइम आएगा, हम NB को भी पेलेंगे. डोंट वरी.
We'll take the things what we want.
डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी. Okay guys, just share the link. So we are starting it. Yeah, it is very right. Success is not final, failure is not fatal.
It is the courage
to continue that counts. Very good, Mohammed Hassan bhai. I totally agree with your point.
Thank you everyone for your wishes.
Thank you everyone for everything, all the love and blessings of your parents, everything. Okay, So we are starting here. Good evening, all of you. First of all, I want to declare that 31st August is a black day in history of FMG. So when it comes about the black day in FMG history, it will count as 31st August, because yesterday FMG exam, the pattern, the level, the size of the questions, the size of the options, I heard from many of my FMG's brothers and sisters that, sir, the pattern is even more tougher than the DM and MCH super specialty exam. And in India, as FMG or MCA screening test is just to screening the doctors, foreign doctors. It is not about the qualification, it is not about the qualifying, it is a screening test. According to the Supreme Court guideline, this exam should be a normal final year base exam. Basic examination. Second thing which is very important, National Board of Examination was giving blueprint. Anatomy 17 question, Physio 17, Biochem 17.
Many.
All these blueprints are
PSM
there.
30.
But yeah, no, PSM 30, Medicine 33, Surgery 32, Obs Gynae 30, all short subjects, Psychiatry 5, Radio 10, Ortho 5,
They are not
Derma
following the
5.
pattern, yeah.
So they are not at all following the pattern. According to
blueprint.
them, Derma is 5, but I heard that there are more than 15-20 questions were there. I heard from students that every second question is a image based question. They have given many image based questions. Guys, don't worry, guys. One time they can do the things which they want, but we will not let them do it again and again. If they want to damage you, if they want to bluff anyone, if they want to destroy us, okay, they have done it now, okay. But now our time will come and we will show them that we will not stop ourselves. We are not afraid and we are not asking anything unethical. We are asking what we deserve and we will get it. That is our point. Regarding the exam pattern, I want to officially tell you this. Yesterday FMG exam
was the toughest
exam.
And one more thing,
Yeah.
we are working for it and we won't let them set paper like this in future.
This was the last time.
We are taking many steps for that separately as well. Okay. So we won't let this happen. Apart of this MFPP 30, that is a separate issue. Okay. Because according
30% is our fight. After 30% happen, even though if they want to bluff student or tricky student, that they will set the question paper very tough so that even someone is not able to score 90 marks, we will not let it happen, guys. Trust on this. We are sitting in Gautam Nagar, we are sitting in Delhi, and our whole life is dedicated to foreign medical graduates. I have seen
next will happen, like they've planned for 2021, but the date is not yet decided.
National exit test will take some time to implement. Okay, so right now we are talking for FMG exam, foreign medical graduate examination, and the best thing about our exam is that the black day was already there yesterday. It's over.
It was over.
What they can do worse with us, they have already did it. So now there is no need to fear. क्या होता है ना, डर जब एक बार खत्म हो जाता है ना, देन वो बोलते हैं ना, डर के आगे जीत है. माउंटेन ड्यू, डर के आगे जीत है.
There is a saying ना कि किसी को इतना मत डराओ कि डर खत्म हो जाए, तो डर तो खत्म कर दिया.
Yes.
That fear is over.
The fear
worst they've already did with
they
us.
have already given the worst paper which they can ever give. Okay, and many things were there.
Nothing more negative thing can happen.
Yes.
Only positive thing can happen from this point.
See,
So we need to work for that positivity and that for positive thing.
see, first of all, I want to tell you one thing, guys. In life, you might have love failures, you might have many failures. भाई किसी को प्यार करते थे, you loved someone, they don't love you back. maybe you had a relationship, then there is some issue. So the point is very clear: nothing is bigger than your own life. I heard that today there was some suicidal.
Some students have took wrong step.
Yes.
That we got to know.
We got to know that some FMGs took wrong step. Guys,
Please, yaar.
I want to request all of you. It is not about lovers or haters. I want to tell you to all those who are watching my video, please remember, guys, nothing is bigger than your life. Because of one exam, because of one bad day, don't think that the whole life is
Finished.
is finished. And I'm telling you from bottom of my heart, and you can feel it and you can see by your own eyes, seriously, we guys are up to it, and we are trying our level best to get all the justice for you people. And we are not doing it today only. We have already started this from March, when they have started the internship issue. Then there was a protest in DMC. I even went to Haryana Medical Council, to Punjab Medical Council. I talked to Tamil Nadu Medical Council. Even I talked to Kerala Medical Council, because in TCMC they have already made this internship compulsory. Thousands and thousands of foreign medical doctors are worried. And after yesterday exam, I know all are broken today, because many guys are asking me, sir, what to study, because whatever we have studied, nothing came from that. The point is very clear, guys. It is not only about the exam. This is the time to stand and fight for your own life. Don't choose the path which Sushant Singh Rajput sir have chosen.
We are not. We don't know about exactly.
We don't know
Exactly what happened.
but just I want to tell him
we
that
just want that please don't
Don't-
take any wrong step in your
Yes,
life.
guys.
Okay.
Please
don't take
remember,
any, wrong
your
step in
life-
It
your-
is so precious.
your life is very precious for your family, for me and for Neeraj sir. Imagine for 1 second, the father and mother who came along with you to Indira Gandhi Airport, or to Kolkata Airport, or to Hyderabad Airport, or to Cochin Airport, to drop you for the first time when you're going to abroad. Remember that moment. And if you take any wrong step, how they will be alive.
How they'll survive, yaar.
It is the time.
They'll remember you each and every second.
Remember
have
one
this thing
thing.
in their
Remember
mind.
one thing. Remember one thing. No of the relatives might value you or love you, but in this whole world, two people who love you unconditionally, they are your mother and father. So always remember these two things. You have to live for your mother and father, and you have to give them good life. These two things you have to do it, guys. It is just starting of our life.
If it was not happened in last 4, 5, 10 years, 12 years, it will happen. Just believe in God. It will happen for sure. Please don't give up. Life is so precious.
Don't give up, guys.
Please, life is so damn precious. Do not take any kind of wrong step. If you are having a 0.1% negativity about all these things, or about to end your
Message
life,
us.
please message us. If you are not able to pick
Even
your call, please message us.
Night 3 o'clock,
We'll
if,
call you.
if you are having any issue, just message me, sir, I am worried, I am not able to understand what I have to do. Me or Neeraj sir will call you within 5 minutes. Just message us anytime.
If
Not
you
an
feel
issue.
that negativity,
But please
don't take any
don't
wrong
take
step.
any wrong step. Your life is precious for us. Your life is precious for your parents, and you are pride of your family. That is something which you need to remember. Okay, so guys, regarding the examination, the pattern, it was very tough, and we already started working on it, and we already had a talk on it. That I want to tell you that this thing, whatever happened yesterday, I will try my all level best that this pattern won't be repeat in upcoming FMG exams, because it is surely injustice to all those FMGs who appeared in yesterday exam. It was not your fault. It was a fault. See, if 50% of the people who appeared in the examination are saying that exam was tough, and 50 are saying it's easy. Okay, it is a fault of those 50% who didn't study it. But if 99.9% people are saying that the exam was tough and 0.1% people are saying I don't know, it means that there was a error from the side where the question paper has coming up. Like for those people who set the question paper, they have intentionally did it, and
They did it way before.
And they-
because this paper was meant to be happen in June, I guess. Yeah.
yeah, actually
So it was extended
see,
due to lockdown. So
I-
there are many people who just want to put
There-
the blame
there-
that the because of this protest
guys,
and all. They
guys,
put it-
one thing I want to make it very clear, guys. Many people are saying that because Dr. Arman Chaurasia, Neeraj Chaurasia, many people have protest, so that's why they have made this exam easy. Tough. Means they want to say that if anyone will raise voice for FMGs, then they will
take
make
revenge.
They will take revenge. So please answer one of my questions, sir. From last 18 years, nobody was doing any protest.
Yeah.
Nobody was doing nobody is putting any allegation on MCI. Nobody is asking any question to NB. Then why not the MCI paper was very easy? Why not the passing percentage is 99% or 100%? Please, all those people who are trying to divide our unity, please remember it, guys. You will not get succeed. 1 month before, you were the same people who are saying that 30% thing is not possible. Even the paper will not accept because it is a matter of Supreme Court. When they have accepted it, you said that no, 30% thing, it is something which has to pass from parliament and all. Then you people, what the point is very clear, guys. Don't divide my family. My family is very matured. Second thing which I want to tell you, if they mean to make the exam tough because we have raised the voice for FMGs,
It's not
It's
the time
not-
to stop your voice.
Yes.
It's time to make your voice louder than before.
I got many messages today and they are telling me don't support MCI Gurukul Trust, don't support MCI Gurukul people because MCI will make the examination more difficult. Are you serious about your life? How you will gonna survive in future, guys? Arman Chaurasia is not fighting for his own life. Neeraj Chaurasia is not fighting for his own career. And many people are saying that my coaching work is finished, that's why I am into it. I am having the topmost faculties of India. Okay, for me right now business won't matter. For me something matters, and that is emotions and blessings of thousands of people. I think you won't understand because
Actually, we got
you
attached to
guys
it.
totally into money.
Money-minded.
You are totally into money. Okay, so I don't want to answer those people, but I want to make it very clear, guys. The exam was getting tougher this time. This is not the time to keep quiet. Please remove this finger from your hand and raise your voice, because this is the time to raise your voice. What they can done,
People
they have
are-
already did it.
People are discussing now we should start studying by mixing the subjects. Yeah, they're asking you more than PG level subject.
They
You
are
should
asking
ask them
you-
that why you are asking such questions to us. Even those, I don't understand what's the point behind all these things. 70 or 80% of the students, they haven't done their internship yet. How can they ask the clinical questions, yeah? Because the internship is not done yet. So there are many loopholes which we need to target. But how we can target? We have to make our voice louder than before. Instead of keeping quiet, it is like this, that okay, I was fighting with you. If you're thinking okay, you'll keep quiet, then it's the time to make the voice louder, so that that person thinks, okay, no, these people are having unity, we cannot do anything wrong with them.
One thing I want to tell you, March, when the screening test certificate issued, there was a notice by DMC that now all those who want to take DMC, they have to
Yeah.
do mandatory internship in Delhi. I was the one who met with few students and I said what the bullshit they are doing, because already internship from China, Nepal, Bangladesh and Philippines is valid, because those people are giving internship certificate. Many faculties are just putting their status on Facebook. Now there is a new notice by DMC. Now you have to do the internship, but nobody have guts to go and ask DMC why you are doing it. I went and I talked with the registrar of DMC. DMC said me clearly that we got a letter by MCI. MCI is saying that TCMC High Court decision was there, and because of that they are instructing all the registrar to make the internship compulsory.
Then we asked them. Okay, there was a High Court judgment about the eligibility criteria as well from, I guess, Tamil Nadu. They said that please give the eligibility to only those students who have scored more than 80%. So that time MCI challenged this decision in court, and they said, sir, no, we are having in our this thing that 50% is our criteria for general and 40% is for SC, ST and OBC. So that is the thing what happened that time. So we just asked Mr. Vats, sir, Dr. Vats, that sir, please do the same thing. Instead of going and fighting against that TCMC decision, you just send that letter to all the medical councils.
Yes, I said clearly to Dr. Words that the internship is valid. We will not go and repeat one day internship. Okay.
Our main point is here talking all this thing is that if something is something negative or bad thing
if some
happening with us,
injustice happening with any
us,
FMG,
we should not keep quiet.
we have to raise our voice. If we think that if we raise our voice they will make paper tough, they will destroy your life, then nobody was standing for you from last 18 years. Then why the MCI passing percentage is still 5%, 10%? That is what my question for those people who are. Many coaching people are messaging on group that the exam was difficult because of two level. One is because of Dr. Arman and Neeraj protest, and second they want to try what is NEXT. Are you serious? Nothing came from your coaching material and now you're blaming me. Now you're blaming all this shit. Please don't do it, and don't try to divide my
And
family.
if you're talking about regarding NEXT, then whenever that NEXT will introduce in Indiana, it will be easier for us, because that time private college students also need to go through same
The
examination.
same NEXT paper has to face by the private medical college students.
So it will be-
NEXT
it
won't
will
be
get-
like this.
It will get easy for you guys.
It will be easier as compared to the yesterday question paper. Yesterday question paper was a disaster in FMG history, and it is more difficult than the super specialty exam. Okay, so remember it. जो भी नेगेटिव बात कर रहा है भाई टेलीग्राम पे, फेसबुक पे, इफ यू आर नॉट सपोर्टिंग अस प्लीज लीव द ग्रुप इमीडिएटली. No need to type any negativity, because if you type one negative point then there are 10 people of my family who will peldo you, and I don't want that. They will use abusive words for you. And even to all coaching people, please whatever you're writing, whatever you're speaking, please be clear what you're speaking, because we will not gonna listen anything which is against our family. We are a family of 40 lakh people. We will not let anyone speak anything bad about our family. It is about me, Neeraj, or it is about any of our family member.
So yeah, so like as we already sent the content to you guys, and you guys have started emailing as well. How much email?
We have got around 3000 email till now.
3000 email till now we got. It is too less. We need
Yeah.
to put it more.
Yeah.
So we have more 24 hours. Okay. So it's better that those people who are asking, sir, what to do. So first of all, please tomorrow use your time to send the emails to the following email IDs with all the contents what we have already provided you. So that is the thing which we need to tomorrow. And on third, please try to come to Delhi.
Yes.
Please, you have
Because
to come to Delhi. And
many-
those who are in Delhi, they are there, but you have to come to Delhi,
Guys-
because it's a now or never fight. Those who are asking, sir, what to do, we are going to MCI and we are going to
Guys,
ask them.
one thing I want to tell you very clearly. For me, all those family FMG fellows are leader. I am not leader. Neeraj is not leader. You all are leaders. Please come and support
Somebody is
us on
asking what
ground.
is the outcome of email. Dear, we have already submitted this letter in PMO in ministry. We want these bureaucrat level to see the mails by 2 days, and we are just asking them to reply us. Okay.
Already
because
I sent the same on their WhatsApp and they all have seen it. So the point is that
we want to show them that
We want to
okay,
show
we are
them
not
that-
we are not 500,000 to 2,000 in numbers. We are thousands in numbers. Okay, so that's what we want to show. So that is the main motto of email. And on third, we'll go to them and we'll face to face ask them, sir, you have mentioned this thing in your letter.
we are not going to do anything unethical.
We are just asking them,
That
sir,
will
why you
be-
didn't do
Yes.
for us? And if you're
Yes.
talking about that the quality will get decreased and all this thing, so then why quality is not when NEET PG 20 percentile was there, when BHMS is practicing like an MBBS doctor, BHMS
When a
is practicing
veterinary
like
person is treating a human person,
MBBS working as an MBBS doctor, then where is the quality?
I want to ask 2-3 things to MCI that first of all, you guys are taking 2000 rupees for the eligibility. You are listing a university list on MCI website, and the same university which student are going just following MCI website. After they are coming India, you are saying that the qualification they got is not up to the mark. Many things are there which to be answered by them. Second thing, it is about the equality. On what terms and condition they are doing reduction for NEET PG, for DM, for MCH, for all other people? Why not for FMGs? What happen if they will reduce it for FMGs? They have to do it, right? So we were not gonna fight with anyone. We will not gonna do anything which will harm our
Unethical.
system because we are with government. I am supporting
Still we believe in
I am
government.
supporting
Still we believe in government.
Indian government, and I have a belief and I have a faith on them. I have
that they
a
will do the justice.
I have a faith on our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir. I have a faith on our honorable Health Minister Harshvardhan sir. It is just that if bureaucrats are trying to keep us quiet, then we want to tell them that we will not let quiet till
We will- yeah,
the
we want to
justice
keep it.
will come to us. And these people, if they think that we will make the exam that much tough that they will not even able to score 90 marks, they will not let it done. We will not let them done this thing again in next exam. That is what we are working on it. Okay, our main agenda is again MFPP 30, and our base of fight is December 2019.
Today we have got few advices
Yeah.
to get the grace marks. Yeah, do you got supplementary? Means we'll go for grace marks of 5 number, 10 number, and we'll stop talking about 30%.
Actually, today many people are talking our language only, but they are just trying to differentiate the thing. They are telling that go to MP MLAs of your state or your area, which we already done 1 month before. They are
For
saying
MFPP 30.
asking them a letter and tell them to send the letter to Dr. Ashwardhan. We already got
done.
more than 80 plus letter. Now this is not a time for all this.
This is not the time to start
This
a new
is-
thing.
This is, yes.
This is the time to stick on our agenda what we've started 1 month before, and the agenda which everybody knows.
Actually, what is happening, we are very huge in numbers. Now what this buddhijeevi people are doing, they know they can't break our unity, so what they are doing, they are
Trying to
creating different agendas on the name and on the welfare of student. I am very happy that today many coaching people are coming and telling that yeah, exam was definitely tough, and our respect is with those parents and with all those children. I am very happy that because of our fight, because of our initiative, at least now coaching people are talking for the welfare of student. Before that they only talk about money. If you don't have money, please leave the class. If you're not paying the money, please leave the class. Today I am very happy that coaching people are talking and thinking about the welfare of student, but their agenda is to divide the unity. Please
So
be
please, yeah.
wise on that.
that grace and everything, yeah, means we'll stop all our agenda of December, August and everything. We'll start just asking, sir, please give us grace. Do you guys got supplementary? Why will ask for the grace, yeah? We will ask for what we deserve, what you have given to NEET PG and what you've given to other guys, na? So that's what we are asking. So that is the thing. So please, our main motto is that don't run behind anything blindly. For that we need to have a, because this thing everybody knows that about that 30%. Okay, you know, you want to get the 30%, and that's what we are fighting. So this is the agenda. We'll keep stick on this only.
See, our agenda is very clear. Make FMG passing percentage 30% for December 2019, for this August, and for all upcoming exam till national exit test execute. First point. Second point, the exam pattern should be transparent and students should have the power or that permission to see the questions and the answers they have ticked. Okay, they should have give the result within 3-5 working days. Okay, that is our all agenda which we are working for. It won't implement now, but from the next exam. All these small things are there which need to work out. And I appreciate all coaching honors, all those students who want to lead this. Please, I am welcoming all of you with open heart that please come to Delhi by 3rd and join us for MCI, because we are going to Medical Council of India office, and we were gonna ask this to the secretary and to chairman and to all the BOG MCI 11 member team that sir, you accepted our 30% recommendation letter. You have forwarded it to MCI to the ministry, and later on what happened, you guys have 3-4 days meeting in ministry along with all the bureaucrats. Then what happened suddenly? Why we got the letter of denial of our representation? What is the issue, sir? Please answer us. We are not going to fight anyone, we are not going to question anyone, we are not telling that anyone is corrupt. Okay, we are keep quiet. We were just asked them that sir, why it can't be happen for FMGs, why it is happening very easily for NEET PG, for DM, for MCH. That is what we are gonna ask. And guys, I will be there till we will not get the justice. So this is the time to support us. Many people are trying to deviate you, divide you with a different agenda. They don't want this MFPP 30 to be possible. They are the same people who called policeman when we went to MCI on 7th. They were the same people.
Internally, they never want this thing to happen.
They never wanted this MFPP 30s happen.
They have put Newton theories and all the theories they have done. We should not. Everybody knows about it. So our main motto is that many agenda will start. They're just trying to divide the things so that we should not reach to the conclusion. But please don't get deviate. Our main agenda, you already.
I think our two faces are familiar to you people, not from today. I think from 6-7 months, and many people know me from last 10 years. My face and Neeraj sir face, you can go anywhere in our Facebook, you can see the things which we are doing. Anyone coming and blindly doing any comment on Telegram or FB or WhatsApp, any anonymous is coming, they are doing it. They
making the fake ID.
They have no guts
to come in front of us and talk.
See, many people are saying that many people opinion are not match my opinion. I have no issue, and I am ready to listen all the opinions. But please come with the original name, come with your identity, and visit our office and give your suggestion. I will join you people with myself, and we will together fight for this.
If you want to work for betterment of FMGs,
there are two different things. One is honest thing that you really want to help all the FMGs. Second is double face, because Gurukul started one agenda, now we have to start one more agenda, otherwise student will fuck us. This is happening right now. Many coaching and many people are just creating the agenda because they know that one big agenda is already running by Gurukul people, and they are getting so much support of the student, so they just want to say bad about us
and to create a new agenda.
It is like an Indian political system. If someone is in power, the opposition will always say negative. If sometime the interchange happen, then they will say negative. So all those people who just acting and having double face. They are just telling all bad about us. भैया क्या ले लिया मैंने तेरा? Did I ask anything from you people? Did I ask anything from you people? क्या मैंने छीन लिया तुम्हारा? I just said one simple thing, that you are earning 50,000 from these people from last 18 years. So this is the time to be united and fight for the FM passing percentage 30, because we have a valid point na, because they are doing for NIT PG. So we are simply asking why you can't do it for FMG. क्या भाई मैंने किसका नुकसान कर दिया यार? Every day a new coaching person is coming and telling Dr. Arman agenda is this, they are doing that, they are destroying FMG life. I am getting thousands of messages. I don't want to share each and every messages, because if I share it will get over 4-5 hours. I just want to tell you that please don't try to divide my family. We are united and we will stand and we will fight. हम लड़ेंगे, हम जीतेंगे, हम खड़े होंगे, हम फिर लड़ेंगे, हम फिर जीतेंगे, पर भाई सहेंगे नहीं यार,
और छोड़ेंगे भी
नहीं. We will not gonna tolerate and we will not gonna leave anyone.
We won't stop our fight.
And guys, I am very much confident. I know my intentions are very pure. My identity is Dr. Bhupen Chaurasia. I am sitting here 118/3 Gautam Nagar. Okay, Neeraj Chaurasia, my brother. My identity is very pure and very clear. And I know what I am doing. I am doing for a genuine reason and for a moral cause. This MFPP 30 should happen, and we are trying our best to make it happen. If you want to support us, please don't create your own agenda just for the sake, because we have started one agenda. Please join us. I have no issue to hear what you want to say and what you want to suggest. But point is very clear. हमको भाई बात तो करनी पड़ेगी. NBE ने अगर एग्जाम डिफिकल्ट किया है,
creating this thing that if you do something they will make it more harder, so it's better to start preparing accordingly. Okay,
yes.
Means somebody is doing injustice to you guys, then you should be prepared for that injustice. Instead of raising your voice against injustice, they want you to prepare for that injustice.
अच्छा हुआ ऐसे महान लोग 1947 में नहीं थे, और we could have never got independence. People like Bhagat Singh, people like Sukhdev, people like them, they have fought for their life. मर गए लोग यार, 20-20 साल में फांसी लगा ली for the independence of India, and you are telling that bullshit that if we raise our voice against the injustice, they will make the paper harder.
They will keep doing the injustice. भाई injustice को सहोगे तो करेंगे ना यार.
If you know why they are doing injustice, you want to know, I'll tell you. They are doing injustice because you are tolerating that injustice from last 18 years. सुनो मेरी बात, सारे कोचिंग वालों, सारे लोग जो फालतू की बातें करते हैं, they are doing this injustice because you are tolerating that injustice from last 18 years.
That is the thing. I think you got this point, that if some injustice is happening, then it's time to raise the voice louder. Okay,
obviously,
instead of preparing for the worst, yaar.
Take one example. Take one example. For example, if your brother or sister, if someone started fighting with them on road and beating them, what you will do? You will say, okay, मारो इसको पकड़ के, कोई बात नहीं, मारो यार. क्यों रोकोगे? क्यों? तुम तो इंजस्टिस देखोगे ना, बिकॉज तुम सोचोगे अगर तुमने उसको रोका तो वो शायद तुम्हें भी मारेगा
और मारेगा.
ही विल बीट यू मोर एंड मोर. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? ओके, मारो यार इसको, मार लो. भैया आप लोग ऐसे हो, आपके संस्कार ऐसे हैं. आवर एटिकेट्स आर नॉट लाइक दिस. इफ एनी इनजस्टिस हैपन टू एनी FMG, we will not tolerate like you people are tolerating from 18 years. This is the fact, and this fact is known by all the FMGs who know me from 6 months or who know me from 6 years. मैं तो नहीं सहूंगा भाई, और ना मैं अपने FMGs ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स को बोलूंगा कि इसको सहो. नो नीड टू टॉलरेट देम. वी आर नॉट रॉन्ग. वी स्टडीड 6 hard years. We have given CROC exam, we have given all language exam, Chinese, Russian सब पढ़ ली यार, ethics पढ़ ली, सब पढ़ लिया. We have taken the degree from the reputed universities recognized by WHO.
Top listed universities, top 1000, top 2000 universities.
Why you are ashamed, yaar? Don't be ashamed. Fight for your rights. Don't shut up and just keep quiet. Because people are keep quiet from last 18 years, that's why they have that much confident that they are doing it. And if we raise the voice, and if they are trying to stop our voice, we won't let it done. We will not let it done, and we will not make this thing happen, because we are here to fight for injustice. Okay, so all those students who want to join us and who are asking, sir, what to do, what is next, guys, leave everything, reach Delhi by 3rd August. Sorry, 3rd September. Because we are gonna ask question to MCI secretary and the chairman of MCI and board of governors of MCI that, sir,
why you did,
please give a positive comment for FMGs, because we deserve it. We are following all the rules and regulations given by you. If MCI is saying don't study in that college, we are not going. You are printing one list on your website, you are telling go to that university, we are going it. You are saying take the eligibility certificate, we are taking it. We are following all the rules and regulations made by Medical Council of India. So we having the rights to talk and ask the question to MCI. No need to afraid. And if some losers are making you realize that be afraid, be scared, please don't listen them. They are the same people who are tolerating this system from last 18 years.
They don't want to. They don't want this system to get changed.
Yes.
They want you to get changed. They want you to prepare for the worst.
They want you to be like them only. They want you to follow the same that okay भाई किसी ने मारा एक गाल पे ले भाई दूसरा गाल भी दे दे मार दे. नो भाई वो जमाने गए. वी फॉलो भगत सिंह. अगर गलत हो रहा है तो हम कैसे सहें? इफ समथिंग बैड हैपन देन वी हैव टू गिव एक्शन ऑन रिएक्शन यार, एंड वी विल डू इट. हमने कुछ गलत नहीं किया है. ओके,
वी आर नॉट आस्किंग एनीथिंग अनएथिकल.
अनएथिकल कुछ भी नहीं मांगा है, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं मांगा है कि वो ना दे सके. सो गाइज प्लीज डू मास मेल. आई नो इफ यू थिंक दैट रिजल्ट वोंट कम, नो प्रॉब्लम, जस्ट डू इट फॉर वन डे, वन मोर डे.
डू इट
टुमारो.
चालू कर दो, भेजो.
From today itself, just after we finish this, please start and send the maximum mail
like we did before.
Second thing, please, तुम दुनिया में किसी भी कोने पे हो, there is no stoppage or interstate, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Take flight, take bus, take car, reach Delhi by 3rd September. ये लड़ाई अब बहुत लंबी जाने वाली है. अगर दम है और लड़ना चाहते हो अपने हक के लिए, एंड डोंट कम अलोन, कम विथ योर पेरेंट्स इफ दे कैन कम. हमको दिखाना है एमसीआई को कि भाई तुम क्या कर रहे हो यार.
what you guys are doing.
You are destroying thousands and thousands of families together. What you are doing MCI, what you are doing, we have to ask the question. हम बहुत गांधीवादी तरीके से मानेंगे यार, गांधीवादी तरीके से पूछेंगे. हम तो गांधी जी को भी फॉलो करते हैं. we will ask them in a very 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 honest way. Sir, please sir, बता दीजिए सर इनका क्या करें. They have done MBBS 10 years back. The practical knowledge is very good, but they are not able to score 150. What to do? Can't you reduce the marks? Because you are reducing for NEET PG because seats are getting empty. Please think for their life also. So please guys, don't sit at your home. Stand for yourself. देखो आज हम दोनों खड़े हुए हैं भाई, हमको बैठाने के लिए बहुत लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं. Every minute, every second, from north to south, west to east, maximum anti-negative people are trying to stop us. बस वो चाहते हैं कैसे भी करके ये दोनों भाई चुप हो जाएं. FMGs मरते हैं तो मरे, चिल्लाते रहेंगे, एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे. इंटर्नशिप आएगी, इंटर्नशिप करेंगे. एग्जाम टफ आएगा, बार बार देंगे, हमारी दुकान चलती रहेगी. बस छोड़ो यार. ये दो लोग क्यों FMGs के लिए लड़ाई कर रहे हैं? Why these two people are fighting for FMGs? Maximum forces are trying to stop us, but हम रुकने वाले नहीं हैं. We will not stop here. I hold your hand, and this hold of hand is very tight. No bloody person will come and try to separate our hands. Nobody can do it. Okay, so remember it, guys. Do mass mail from now. Also, now itself started, and on 3rd September, please join me. I am going and I am questioning Dr. Vats and to the MCI that, sir, why
The
you are
ministry.
doing injustice to us. We are going to ask to Medical Education Director Dr. Sanjay Roy, to Dr. Amit Biswas, to all those people who supposed to help us but who are not helping us. We were gonna question them.
We will do it.
And I need your support, guys. This is the time I need your support. I am not asking for any money. I am not asking and seeking for any financial support. I need your physical presence with me. That is what I want. फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग यार, तुम्हारी जिंदगी से बढ़कर तो नहीं है. आज 4 लोगों ने सुसाइड कर लिया.
More
What?
than 3-4 students have committed suicide today.
Don't you think FMG's life are precious? For me, each and every life of FMG are very precious, guys. Please stand for yourself, and please don't entertain any people who are trying to divide us by giving different logics. 3-4 logics are there. Because of us exam got difficult, we are running our agenda. भैया क्या खाया मैंने तेरा? What agenda? What I am doing? Don't you see? Where were you when I am fighting and protesting in DMC for the internship issue? Where were you when I am protesting in MCI for the provisional certificate? वाह भाई वाह. Now you are coming and telling that our agenda is that. Please
That's why it is happening.
don't try to divide us. We are united by our souls. Okay, please do mass mail, guys, and
Please send the emails tomorrow. By tomorrow maximum, tomorrow evening, just send the emails, maximum emails what you can send. And from 3rd onwards, we've already told you that we are going to MCI and we are going to ask them directly the things. And this quote and everything, we've already prepared for it. But
our draft is already prepared. All those people who are thinking that you already saw what we are doing, we were the same person who went to Supreme Court and tried for the extension but got 50-50 judgment for our people. You know that everything was there on NB website. Our draft for MFPP is already prepared, but we were gonna question.
We will gonna question them directly. Directly, we will gonna question them because
Yeah.
ultimately, you guys, I don't know, many of you know or not. Nobody, no of the court will take decision directly. Ultimately, they'll ask to these bodies only.
No, anyone who is saying that Dr. Vats is a Rajya Sabha member, it is a wrong information.
It's a wrong-
He is a retired IAS officer.
Retired officer, and
Yeah.
he's BOG secretary till 24th of September. So now let's discuss some questions. Yeah, court. We have already told you that we have ready with the things.
We are
But
already
finally-
ready with everything.
We are trying the final things
Yeah.
directly because we want to make this thing possible.
Guys, we want to.
Within maximum like 5, 10, 15 days. That's what we want to make it possible before the examination. So that's why we are trying that. That's why we are trying directly right now.
When next NB bulletin will come, this provisional certificate thing will be cleared down because we already had an advisory for that.
You guys have
Anyone if having confusion regarding provisional, they
you
can
will
WhatsApp
be
me.
allowed to give the examination.
Anyone
Will be
if have
allowed.
any question, you can ask here, guys.
And regarding internship, those students who stuck in India because of internship, that issue is with the Indian student as well. They've made a committee which is combinedly take the decision for the students who stuck in internship for that internship.
Yeah,
issue.
that is what I like the question, sir. If suicide of FMGs are there, this corrupted system has to answer. Yes, that's what I'm telling. Yeah, life of FMG is any life is precious. Yeah, it is not about FMG or anyone. Each and every life, human life, even
PG
any
recognition-
life,
PG recognition, yeah,
is very precious.
Let us done with the basic graduate thing that MBBS, then we'll go to PG as well. Don't worry.
Do mass mail, and please, just mass mail is not enough. I need your physical support.
Tomorrow we'll provide you one Twitter thing as well. And
Yeah.
with the IDs whom you need to tweet. We'll
One
give you
student
content
is
there.
asking, sir, what happen if on 3rd Dr. Vats won't come? No problem. हम वहाँ तंबू गाड़ के बैठ जाएंगे with proper social distancing, mask लगा के. What I'm saying, that fight is very big fight. It is not a one day fight. Don't come for one day. Come at least minimum for 1 week or 10 days, because the fight is gonna be very big. If you have guts, if you want to stand for yourself, anyone who are thinking that just typing on WhatsApp or Facebook, Telegram is very easy, ये करो वो करो ये करो वो करो, भाई आओ ना यार.
ये जो कलाल के भाई को न्योता देकर तो मैंने बुलाया नहीं है. अपना फ्रस्ट्रेशन जो है यहाँ पर मत निकालने की कोशिश कर.
Please don't take
यहाँ
out your
मत
frustration
निकाल
here,
यार.
otherwise my family
है ना?
people will pale
मत-
though you.
जो
है ना?
कलाल का भाई है ना, यहाँ फ्रस्ट्रेशन मत निकाल. और देखो जिसने पैसे दिए हैं ना यार फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकालने के लिए, ठीक है, उसी के पास जाओ और उसी पे फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकाल. यहाँ फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकालने की कोशिश मत कर.
See, we will not do
They're talking
any.
about that half internship. I already told you they've made a committee and that will take the combined decision.
Actually, the internship matter is not only for Indian student; it is for foreign student and Indian for both. So already they have made one committee. They are talking on it. So we will talk on this matter and we will let you know.
Fast result and then all these issues.
Many things are there.
These are the issues which
See,
will be implemented for
see,
the next
that
time.
what I'm saying. Don't just keep quiet and see that okay, Dr. Arman and Neeraj are working. If something good happen, we will get it. Don't do like this, guys. Stand for yourself. Please, अपनी inner soul को जगाओ. It is same thing. Tomorrow, if you are going in any public place, if anyone try to harm your family members, your sister, your mother, or your wife, to anyone, what you'll do? You'll see quietly. Okay, no problem. Let them do it. What you're doing, yaar? Those people who are telling that if we go and fight for our own right, they will do it more difficult for you. Don't talk like this, yaar. Talk like a winner. Don't talk like a loser. Change your mentality, guys.
First, we are planning in front of MCI. Then we'll plan accordingly. Okay.
Many things are there, but be
Alternative
available.
courses for students for MBBS. Yeah. Let us just done with this thing.
This
Then-
is a very big fight, MFPP 30. Let us do this once, then we will have many things to do together. And if anyone have any doubt, just come and talk with us front face to face. We are here to answer all our family members. Okay, anytime any genuine question, we will definitely answer all of you. But be positive, guys. I am telling it again, nothing is bigger than your own life.
Don't ever take any wrong step. Okay, because if you are alive, you can do many things and you can achieve many heights. So please don't take any wrong step. And if you are getting any negative thoughts, you can contact me and Arman bhai anytime. Or please think about your family. Will they able to live after your this step? They will die each and every second. Please think accordingly.
Okay, guys, so I think it is done. If you have any query, any question, you can ask here. See, many people are here who just come
Few
for
not
the
many.
sake of 50 or 100 rupees, or maybe for free 1 or 2 mock tests. They are here, okay, and they are the same people. क्या बताएं यार.
बात
They are-
करने का मन ही नहीं होता इन लोगों के बारे में.
We are not here to talk for them. Definitely, yaar, if you have any political support, just go and tell them our whole issue. You know everything. Now we have that that PMO letter. Go and show them this letter.
भाई इस टाइम तो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग से विल सिट. We have sent this letter to PMO as well, and we have told them the situation that they have to review it.
भाई देखो, लड़ो या मरो. दो में से एक चीज है, या तो लड़ना पड़ेगा खुद के लिए, या भाई वो जैसा कर रहे हैं उसको सहन
Time and
करो.
everything we'll discuss tomorrow evening.
That we will let you know
Tomorrow
about
evening
everything.
about timing and everything will let you know.
अरे यार पुलिस आ गई तो कोई बात नहीं, हम थोड़ी भागने वाले हैं, फिर पहुंच जाएंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. जेल जाना पड़ेगा, जेल चले जाएंगे, क्या हो गया भाई, हम डॉक्टर हैं यार, चोरी करने थोड़ी जा रहे हैं.
शाहिद भाई भी यार मेरे ख्याल से 10-20 रुपए लेके आ गए हैं, बहुत देर बिता दी यार. तुम्हारा रिचार्ज खत्म हो गया होगा, अपने मालिक से बोलो तुम्हारा रिचार्ज करें क्योंकि बहुत गलत गलत लिखने लगे हो तुम यार. अब शाहिद भाई रिचार्ज करवा के आओ यार वापस, जिसने तुम्हें 10 रुपए दे के भेजा था ना, तुम्हारा टॉक टाइम खत्म हो गया है, वापस रिचार्ज कराओ सो दैट यू कैन पुट समथिंग गुड.
चलो ओके, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन वी विल.
we are done for today.
Yeah, it is about life and death, and it is about your whole family, and it is about my whole family. So please do mass mail, okay? And please remember it. Many people are coming with their own agenda just to divide us. Please be wise. तुमको पता है what Arman sir and Neeraj sir are doing from last 6 months, and people who know me from 10 years, they know what I am doing for them, okay? And what I am doing is for the welfare of everyone. लोगों को बहुत you know everyone they are in tension why these two people are stand up for this FMGs. क्यों आ गए ये लोग?
They were trying rumors that we got money and everything. Now they are again asking that why we are standing.
That
so these people are
they are the same
very
people.
childish.
They are very
childish people.
Yeah. They are telling that we got money from NB, we got money from some party.
From Binod.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay then. Okay then, guys. Yeah, FMGs won't talk like this. FMGs are very intelligent. All those people, maybe they are servant over there in
Yeah,
those coaching.
that-
Even servants are more better than them. They are nonsense people. So पेल दो यार, इनको पेल देना. जैसे ही हम ऑफलाइन जाएंगे सालों को पेल दो, सबको पेल
चलो
दो,
यार.
ठीक है?
See you
Okay
tomorrow.
then, good night guys.
Good night. Take care. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
But we will keep fighting till the time we'll get justice, and we need to get the justice as soon as possible.
भाई खुद के लिए खड़े हो जाओ यार, प्लीज
टाइम
स्टैंड
है यार,
फॉर
लड़ना
योरसेल्फ.
पड़ेगा और खड़े होना पड़ेगा.
खड़े होना पड़ेगा और लड़ना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दिस फाइट इज नॉट गोना बी वेरी सिंपल. या तो खड़े हो जाओ, लड़ो, अदरवाइज सहो. अब तुमको चूज करना है क्या है भाई. हम तो सहने वाले में से नहीं है. वी विल डेफिनेटली गोना फाइट फॉर देम. हम 2 होंगे देन ऑल्सो वी विल फाइट. हम 200 होंगे देन ऑल्सो विल फाइट. हम 2 लाख होंगे देन ऑल्सो विल फाइट. Because we are not fighting for anything wrong. Fight means I will not let like a statue and just see whatever
Fight
injustice
means-
happening.
fight means-
I'm
fight
not
means
going dishum
fight
to
against the
anyone.
injustice.
Yes.
We'll
We'll
ask-
raise our voice against the
We've already
injustice.
talked with them all the things. Now
Yeah.
we'll ask on the point what they've given to us.
Yes.
We'll ask the clarification on this.
Yeah, why not? We can ask.
Because
we are the main
because-
person. We
yeah.
have given the representation.
That is the thing.
Even in ministry letter they have mentioned about my trust name, so I have a I can ask the question, and you all are my family member. We can ask them together, not an issue. Okay then guys, I hope everything is going fine. Please eat well. खाने में मस्त खाना खाओ यार. बड़ी
Tension
मेहनत
छोड़ दो
की है.
यार.
टेंशन
Tension
छोड़ो.
छोड़ दो. जो हुआ हुआ.
जो हुआ अच्छा
change it.
हुआ, and जो होगा अच्छा होगा. Don't worry, we all are
Whatever
together.
happens, just be positive.
Yes.
God is with us, and He won't let any injustice happening.
Till
with us.
now,
Finally.
you and your parents, they have never done anything bad to any person. No, na. Nothing will happen bad to you people. That is my words to you. Okay. Please stand for yourself. Don't try to do anything unethical, और अपनी लाइफ को कभी भी किसी भी तरीके से not even hurt yourself with one anything, razor या कुछ पिन विन से नहीं भाई. You are very sensitive and you are very important for your family. Please
Okay,
respect
so
and love
don't
yourself.
put
Okay.
take any wrong step, and just good night. Take care. See you tomorrow. And
हाँ
please
बिल्कुल.
do what we have told you.
We will
Okay.
take care of ourselves. Every day we are getting so many messages. Sir, please खाना खाओ. Yes, we are eating well.
You guys do the
time
same.
पे सो, and you also take
the
food
same.
on time and sleep on time. Thank
Do
you
the
very
same.
much.
Good